Hey everybody, welcome back to Poor Man's Guitar again. Um, okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use the pentatonic shapes that we just learned in the last video with the backing track solo. I went over it there just, before, like for about 10-15 minutes or something like that, just beforehand with the backing track to kind of get a feel for what I'm going to do, I guess. So I'm just not exactly thinking on a fly in front of a camera because then I might look really dumb. Even dumber than I'm going to look. Anyways, so I came up with a few patterns. So it's from the pentatonic scale, and I got, I guess I'll be throwing in nodes. I'll be throwing in notes from the other modes and scales that we've learned previous to, because this is about improvising and hearing the sounds of things. It's about making lots of mistakes. It's about keeping what sounded good and remembering it and repeating it somewhere all the time, and then it just becomes your own personal lick somewhere that you can use per se or whatever, right? um, Another thing is the track is just it's A minor, but it's all in really power chords, so it's just A, G, F, E is the backing track and just repeats. um, Another thing is I don't record doing solos and stuff like other people do, like plug directly into the computer and get this perfect level and everything like that, because in my opinion, you should be playing with music you actually need to hear live out in a room with your guitar, so you can start getting used to levels, getting used to how loud you need to pick something or softly pick something. It gives you a better idea of a live performance, I guess, in your levels of things. So I'm going to try to keep the backing track and the soloing kind of leveled for you if I can, okay? So, but anyways, let's begin, and I'm going to stand up back over there actually and do it. So we'll give it a swipe, and you'll see me again doing this track, and hopefully I don't make too many mistakes and look asinine. Anyways, see you guys in a bit. Bye-bye. Do a swipe! Yeah, something like that. As you noticed, I probably screwed up a few times here and there, had to think, but that's kind of what I said you're going to have to do. You kind of got to think, and then if you notice, I kind of was coming up with this, this sound here, oops, just put a pick in my hand. Giving you that kind of diminishy, you gypsy sort of sound. I mean, I just came up with that right now, actually, because I was doing something similar before I did the video. Like I said, I kind of went over it once, just kind of get my feel for it, and those are the patterns I sort of came up with. So I just remembered them to kind of do them now to show you. But I was still thinking, so it's not like I was like super used to it or anything. So that's why I said you're going to see mistakes. When I'm doing, I'm trying to go faster than I can, and it's a good idea to try it. So you can try to just jam as much speed as you can. It's going to probably not sound in timing because I was definitely off a bit on a few places there with that. But the point is, I'm trying to see if I can rush 8. Do I do 6? Do I do 7? Do I do 5 there next? Like, I'm just seeing, I guess, in my head what's going to work or whatever. So that's what I suggest you do. So again, I'll have the track here at the bottom of the description, and if it's not there somehow I forget, it's in my last video anyways. Okay, so thanks for watching, and don't forget, just improvise, play this 100 times and keep trying new things. You learned the A minor in one of the first part of my videos, you know, this whole, you remember that stuff? Well, that's all A minor stuff, so you can use all that now with this track. Okay, so I'll see you guys again. Take care. Bye bye.